Which synonym belongs to eerie? The correct answer is creepy. Which synonym belongs to impassable? The correct answer is unpassable. Which synonym belongs to stoic? The correct answer is apathetic. Which synonym belongs to gnome? The correct answer is apatheme. Which synonym belongs to afterlife? The correct answer is hereafter. Which synonym belongs to deface? The correct answer is scar. Which synonym belongs to antecede? The correct answer is forego. Which synonym belongs to gobble? The correct answer is scarf. Which synonym belongs to chicanery? The correct answer is subterfuge. Which synonym belongs to imprimatur? The correct answer is authorization. Which synonym belongs to arduous? The correct answer is exhausting. Which synonym belongs to objurgation? The correct answer is reproval. Which synonym belongs to rebuttal? The correct answer is contradiction. Which synonym belongs to variegated? The correct answer is diversify. Which synonym belongs to toxic? The correct answer is venomous. Which synonym belongs to discernible? The correct answer is discoverable. Which synonym belongs to clown? The correct answer is buffoon. Which synonym belongs to alias? The correct answer is pseudonym. Which synonym belongs to depict? The correct answer is register. Which synonym belongs to parapet? The correct answer is breastwork.